Okay, variable y is a linear equation, is a linear function of the variable x, that is y equals to f of x. When x is 3, the value of the function is 6. Okay, when x is 3, y is 6. When the same variable x is 9, the value of the function is 18. Find the value of the function when the variable is 6. So I know it's a linear function, so I'm going to say that it works in mx plus c. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I know that there is going to be a change involved. So I'm going to find out m first. 18 minus 6 over 9 minus 3. That's 12 over 6. That's 2. So y equals to 2x plus c. So every change in x brings 2 units change in y. I could do that directly and say that my answer should be 12. But I will solve this completely for you. First find out what c is. So c comes out as 0. So y equals to 2 times 6 plus c is 12 plus 0 is 12. Moving on to the next one, it says the linear relationship in the variable x is x plus y over 2 plus x plus 4y over 5 equals to x plus 13y over 7 plus 1. What is the value of x minus y? I will have to solve this completely. Let's take an LCM on this side and say that this is 10. So this becomes 5x plus 5y plus 2x plus 8y. Let's take a common denominator here as well. 7x plus 13y plus 7. So I get 7x plus 13y over 10, x plus 13y plus 7 over 7. Cross multiplying gives me 49x. What's 13 times 7? 91y equals to 10x plus 130y plus 70. I want x minus y, so let's gather everything on this side and see if we've reached somewhere. I see the numbers are very complicated. So what's 49 minus 10 is 39x. And I have a negative here. So what's 91 minus 130? That gives me 39 as well. That makes my life easier. I can factor out to 39 and say that the other side will then be 70 over 39. I hope that's the correct answer. Yes. Moving on to the next question, it says, what is the equation of a line that passes through the point 5 minus 5, 8 and is perpendicular to the line y equals to 2x plus 7? So perpendicular lines have gradients that are negative reciprocals of each other. So m2 equals to minus half. So y minus y1 mx minus x1. That's how you construct an equation. You could also do it with y equals to mx plus c, y minus 8 minus half x minus 5 over 2. So I know minus half x minus 5 over 2 plus 8. What's minus 5 over 2 plus 8? With 2 plus 8. It's 11 over 2. So I get minus half x plus 11 over 2. Is that one of the answer options? Yes, that's the best answer option that I have there. So I write that. Would also do this question with plugging in and, sort of plug in 8, comma, minus 5, comma 8 and see which one gives you the correct answer out of all four, because all four have the gradient minus half. What is the equation of the line that passes through the points this and that? So first I calculate the gradient. 5 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, so 3 over minus 4. So that's the gradient. Plus c. Let's find out plus c. I'm doing it with the other method now just to show you how that works. Plus 3 over 4 minus 3 over 4. 5 minus 3 over 4. 17 over 4. So A should be the right answer. Question number 5, 2x minus y over 3. What is the relationship between x and y? So I need a simplified relationship. I will take a common denominator that I can see is 15. So I'm going to write 15. This gets multiplied with 5, so 5 times 2x minus 3 times y plus 2x plus y equals to 50 equals to x. 10x minus no, 10x plus 2x is 12x minus 2y equals to 15x. So 12x minus 15x equals to 2y minus 3x equals to 2y, x equals to minus 2 over 3y. Or I can keep it like that. I think I have to figure out an answer directly. So 3x equals to minus 2 over minus 2y. We have more hard questions, I'm assuming. Yeah. Consider the function this, which of the following is the value of f of 10 minus f of 5. So 2 times 10 plus 10 over 5 minus 2 times 5 plus 5 over 5. So 20 plus 2 minus 10 minus 1. So 22 minus 11 is 11. Find the linear relationship that has 2 points. So either I could start plugging in these points and see which one gives me the correct answer. I would first do this instead of plugging in the first point because that's a negative involved. That bothers me a little. So I'm going to use 2 comma 27 and say that I can plug in 2 and check which one gives me 27. So if I plug in 2 into the first one, it gives me 2 times 2 plus 3. It's 7. That's not useful. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 19 is 27. So let's see if the first one also gets satisfied. 4 times minus 1 is 4. Plus 19 gives me 15. So that should be the correct answer. And that is indeed the correct answer. So I just showed you how to do a question with trial and error. What is the equation of a line that passes through the point and is parallel? So parallel lines have the same gradient, so it should have the gradient 5x. That's the only line that has a gradient of 5x. So I'm going to say that that should be the correct answer. I don't even need to check the rest. Suppose a linear function models a linear relationship between the number of hours a machine works and the electricity cost. If the machine is y equals to 4x plus 50, x is the number of hours the machine worked, and y is its electricity bill in dollars. What is the weekly bill if the machine works for 7 hours daily? So I think that's simple. Okay, that's weekly machine bill. So 78 times 5 then. Um, 28. Okay, so this is not about a daily function, so let's get done with that. What will I plug in into the number of hours? It's going to be 7 into 7, so that's y equals to 4 into 49 plus 50. 4 into 49 plus 50. 246 is the correct answer. What is the equation of a line that passes through the points this and that? So let's first calculate the gradient minus 1. I could also start plugging in the answers. I think that's going to be more challenging because there's a negative there and that bothers me a little. So I'm going to use gradients to do that. So minus 8 over 2, that's minus 4. So I know either the answers A or C. So y equals to mx plus c. 7 minus 4 times 3 plus c. So c gives me 19. So A should be the correct answer. Let's check. Yes. That I think should bring up the end of the hard questions. I will be back with the next topic in the next video. Thank you for watching.